There are three main aims of this very short PowerPoint presentation, and it's just to think about what is a paragraph, how do I structure a paragraph, and how do I know when to start a new paragraph. All writing has to be organised into paragraphs. The reason for that is it makes it clear for the reader to know when something is changing, when a new point is being made, when a new place is being moved to, when a new person is being introduced. Okay, it's a group of sentences about one main idea. It can be as short or as long as you like, as long as the idea you've been writing about has been fully explored within that paragraph. To know to start a new paragraph, there's a simple method. This is especially true when you're doing creative writing. Some of the hires you've been doing monologues, lots of you have submitted one paragraph monologues. Now, you will see examples, especially in a dramatic monologue, or if it's written from like the point of view of a young person who wouldn't be expected to write in paragraphs. You might see everything lumped together, but most of the time, even a dramatic monologue is going to be split into paragraphs. This is a really simple way of remembering when you should change tip top, which stands for time, place, topic, or person. So if you have changed from 12 o'clock in the afternoon to later that evening for your character, you need to change the paragraph. If you have been discussing a scene within the courtroom, for example, the higher monologues have been looking at a kind of murder trial, if you've moved from the courtroom back to your character's house, you need to change the paragraph. Some of you will be doing essays that are more on the discursive side of things, so the National 5 class, you're looking at persuasive essays. There's a really simple and easy way to remember how to structure a paragraph called the traffic light system. Okay, so we've got red for topic sentences. Topic sentence, or the topic of a paragraph, is introduced by one key sentence, and we often call that the topic sentence. It's the one that contains the main idea of the paragraph. And most of the time, especially when you're at high school, it will come at the start of the paragraph. It's the thing that tells your reader what this paragraph is going to be about. So, for example, there are 3 reasons why Britain is one of the best countries in the world. That is the topic sentence. We then know that in the rest of that paragraph, we're going to get those 3 reasons. First, Britain has an excellent transport system. Second, Britain has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and are encouraged to continue studying at university. Finally, Britain's cities are clean and efficiently managed. As a result, Britain is a desirable place to live. Supporting sentences, those were all the ones that came after that red topic sentence. They make up the main body of the paragraph. Every sentence needs to be about your topic and the original starting point of your paragraph. You should give supporting facts, details, and examples. Okay, so we've discussed that. And then finally, we get an ending sentence. In this paragraph, it was, as a result, Britain is a desirable place to live. Ending sentences help to wrap up, close, or finish the paragraph, and they can repeat the topic sentence in a different way. They can express how we feel about the topic or express what we think about it. Okay, so topic sentence, supporting sentences, end sentence. So very quick presentation, but this will be on the Microsoft Teams page, and I am looking into doing things like Microsoft Stream so that you can revisit this no matter whether you're in first year, second year, third year, or National 5 and higher. Use this to go back as a resource and find information on how to paragraph, especially if I give you feedback that you need to look at paragraph in. Hope this helps. Thank you.